Nice. I like to see how Troy will kind of invigorated everyone, brought out some really fun elements. It's looking really, really nice.
Perfect. And now to work two ideas, the forward ocho and the molinete, we can use the sequence from the Americana. The sequence from the Americana is this one. You can see from the leader point of view, we will do a change of direction, voleo, Americana. Change, and that's the way to lead the forward ocho. Again, let's do it from the other side. Change of direction, voleo, Americana, back and forward. I will continue it, but that's the beginning. One more time. Change of direction, voleo. Here we go into the Americana, bounce back. I cross behind, you see, the second time when I lead the follower the ocho, first, Americana for the leader is crossing forward. Bounce back, cross behind to lead the follower the ocho. One more time, let's do it from this angle. And then we will come out into the Americana to go into the molinete, rulo, backward ocho. One more time from that side. Change of direction, voleo, Americana, change to forward ocho, Americana, around, rulo, backward ocho, and should we try?
For the follower, in particular, the forward step is kind of like a little, for me, when you do the bounce back, it's kind of like a little bit of a reinvigoration to continue doing the forward ochos, right? Because you're already on that path. So,
Perfect.
yeah.